For we episode today for Showbiz Weekly, we carry am go enter street as our female celeb dem dey act drama for Ogbonge Oshodi bus stop for Lagos. And as also play we take enter Lagos Heritage Water Regatta for Ikoyi. Na so we come waka Krukere come stop for Ogbonge picture show where Akintunde Akinyele dey do for the Red Door Galleria wey dey for we Lagos. We come relax ourselves jejely and wildly with the correct performance for the Ido Salsa and street dance performance wey happen for Ocean View inside VI Lagos. Later now we come join Rock Nation, J Electronica.
That's what I'm gonna do when I grow up.
Hottest news, showbiz diary interviews, and plenty more. Focus. This na Showbiz Weekly.
So, give us a late night. Our brother is holding up. I said, he beat me. Nothing. Nobody thought. He was beating me. His father thought. Who? What did you do? What did you do wrong? I started thinking of what I had done. Every time he beat me the way his father used to beat his mother. One time, I said we should pay school fees on time. He slapped me, said I should never, ever tell him what to do with his money. Another time, I covered my mouth. He started complaining about my eyes, that they are looking at him somehow. I started looking at the ground. He said, what are you doing in the room? Don't you have work to do? Hey! He beat me in front of all the neighbors, grab his manhood, squeeze it and threaten him. Child, that is not natural. It is not womanly.
See, any woman went through this kind of thing, any woman went quiet, she said the dress for her. Change don't come.
Change don't come.
My God. People go here. Bros. They go beat you. Oh, Danny. Hashtag day. Yeah.
don't carry and come again inside town, and we did live for inside the city of Lagos. Now, if you look behind me, you go see all these water boats. You know, everything is happening on water because this one is the 6th edition of the Lagos Water Regatta for inside Lagos. Now, today you go know say Niger people, we get the culture, we get the tradition. We know how to catch fun on top of water, and we know every way they showcase our traditional heritage as Nigerian and African people. So there go Sempe well, everybody don't turn up. If you look, you go see all the crowds them from my left, that side. Everybody they catch the groove, you know, in the spirit of Easter still. All right, so we could not talk too much. We not be like say we lost. We go grab some small interviews, make we hear from people waiting their expectation be, and we go turn up.
Challenge. We just enjoy ourselves. We dey tell the people of Lagos, say make them come to the water to come enjoy wetin they fit get from the water.
Well, the show dey alright. I sure dey enjoy am. I dey enjoy the show.
Oh, but I think say Bamo, they try well, you know, the kind arrangements wey they just dey do, people they dance for water, we just they see different things. They fine well.
My first time to come here to this, and I really enjoy it.
This Ilaje dance and how this masquerade clothes exchange and those kind of things, I really appreciate it. I love it so much. So wonderful. Like I feel like I should be among them, you know.
I don't know what's that thing called. When they were, is this skydiving or what do we call it now?
And the jet ski part I like pass. Jet ski, and that one I enjoy pass.
Now when one woman just dey rise, dey fall with one kind of thing wey she dey hold for hand, the thing in fact, e be like say e be like Mami Water. I don't even know wetin Mami Water resemble, but without God, the thing fine well.
Now every year we go. They say make plenty people they come, make them come enjoy themselves, bring their children here, come play, make them come see all the things where they fit do for water, where the boat where they go beach, where they go take ferry go from Ikorodu to Aja, different things for water. They will come and see.
Now so the thing go on top Lagos Water Regatta 2015. Not forget that this one a yearly event. So next year we go join you on Feelingly. Hopefully you don't enjoy all the performances on top water, the jet ski, the flying like Mami Water, you know. This is how Niger people live. Now so we take celebrate our Nigerian culture and tradition. This is Wazobia TV. Keep it locked down. Put your eye, not come out your eye because this is Wazobia TV. My name is Chika. Yes, my people, how una day? This is now Wazobia TV, and we don't carry come again enter una street. Today they happen for inside the Red Dog Gallery. You see everybody then cock up their dress. And waiting carry us come here now the 6th edition of the Lagos Photo Festival, where we did organized by the Lagos Photo Foundation. Now today now one of Nigeria's foremost ogbonge and big guest artists now in the showcase today. Yes, now Akintunde Akinleye exhibition, solo exhibition I carry us come here. Now today you go know say even if you don't they see art before now, the one way they here you never see the type of before. Because this particular artist, all in subjects, all the themes where they portray and Nigerian issues where they affect you and I. Now you go see on top the matter today. And the theme for this exhibition now each passing day. What will be the issues where every Nigerian, people like you and me, they face every passing day? Come make we carry you on a jolly good ride. What do you think about the art exhibition where Akintunde Akinleye do? What do you think about the guy walk?
I think the guy walk there honest. They show the reality of like where many of us for Lagos they go through.
And you can see my mommy looking slow fake. I love your beads, love your hair, Africanness.
Thank you very much.
Well, Akintunde is one of the most important artists, photographers working in Nigeria today.
Ade, you see? People are beginning to appreciate our Niger culture. Give it up for Wazobia. All right, quickly, what do you think about this exhibition where Akintunde Akinleye don't do? What do you think of his work, his art form, his storylines, subject matter? What do you think generally?
I'm a big fan of his work. I followed his work for the last 4 years, and I think, you know, he's exhibiting all over the world, or his photos are being exhibited through the news because he works for Reuters.
The guy get eye. His work is confirmed. It's very creative, very innovative, and he's a son of the soil, so his eye is very on point.
All right, yes, we're there for inside the Akintunde Akinleye solo exhibition. I know say you the one I say, who be the man with the stand beside me? Yes, he is the brain behind every artwork we see for here. Boss, we cut and
I hail you.
How body?
Body day for my clothes now.
Right. The guy in work now, I really loved everything that I saw.
The thing don't master me say I dey work like hunter. You know, say hunter, you go know say somehow he go get somebody, you know, if he set out to say he won't go inside bush, he won't shoot something. He get that mind say if this animal come, I go just take him. Now so we work the same way like hunter. You know? In fact, some people don't come and say I be photographer hunter because say some picture where we say some people no go even get. They wonder where this guy dey stand when he take these pictures.
Wetin I like passing now the way the guy show Oshode of those days and Oshode of today. If you see the two pictures, for one side, people they climb bridge. That's when Lagos don't change. And the other one, nobody they climb bridge. Only one guy, Lagos can't scatter for down.
But one of my favorites now, one painting or one picture where one fireman they pour water. The boy I now wa.
It was a big congrats to you on top of your winning of the World Photo Press Awards. Now this particular awesome work where you do, where you capture the picture of a man where they wash his face, they come out dirty for near pipeline explosion. Wetin inform or wetin motivate you to do that kind of work?
You know, say that picture, I dey tell people say now the only picture where I don't take for my life. Nobody say I never take another picture. Now that one a metaphor.
He looks at all the social, political, economic issues that are transforming Nigeria, and he puts them together in his photographs, and it's really amazing to see it all come together in the exhibition.
I think we get enough artists for you, like you talk. Now we just get platform where then go they show our work, you know, like platform like this exhibition, make government give money, they go publish people work, you know, send our people outside.
And we don't need to bring in people from abroad to shoot the stories of Nigeria.
Well, it's interesting, you know, there's a lot of photographers that come to work in Nigeria, but he's obviously very deeply embedded in Nigerian culture. He's grown up here, he understands it, and that comes across in his work, the deep connection he has with the culture here.
Now that one like my signature. You know, when you sign signature, any other person no go fit sign that kind of signature. Even if they forge themselves, then go see no say na forge. Now so that picture be, you know. As I take them that day, bruh, I just know say this one are like artwork or this one like it go and the thing come become iconic. You don't.
tan inmenso como el cielo.
Apologies for the delay. And like I promised us, at 5 o'clock, we will kick this off.
Good evening, everybody. We are welcome to the 5th edition of IDO.
And get ready to wow you with your fantastic moves. A round of applause, I think.
If you know you're good, it could make you go out there.
Honestly, the kind of thing I see for this place, everybody else die. See?
I'm not gonna lie you, not be small thing, but they try, Sha.
I will be the champion of this competition 2013, and now this is 2015.
Now make we go up there, make you go do wetin we know to do better.
The dance makes sense now, and our competition we did. And we don't dance, we don't shout at we don't show them what we get. We enjoy ourselves and we believe say we express the judges and the audience.
It's good to perform for this kind of place, but tension day.
Now we go carry the cup go again because we dey hot and nobody fit touch us. So now we dey win am again.
Just go the way go 1,000. Our performance go dope, it go dope wells.
We are here for campaigning for Christ. Campaigning to explain the gospel.
We don't come here, we don't be chased. We come to win.
We are here to try our best, so we no time like this and I dance.
Relax, calm down. This na SOE. And as we tell you, we stand gidigba. Nothing dey happen.
My country, when they feel them, because we get the swag. Short, we get the energy. As they do them, our B-boy team they go.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
am because we don't plan am with God. Now we win 2013 and now we still be the winner.
As you can see, this is the FFD we loaded. We know they fear because God is on our side. Now only God we know. That kind of thing. Baba na God. FFD, let's go. FFD.
The dancers, they want to kill me. I no go lie you for them, man.
As you see me so, are they happy? What happened here today? Now dance competition. They call them International Dance Organization, Salsa Showdown competition, and street dance competition.
My part for this event is basically to make sure that it works. So the way we're supposed to work for other countries, because dance be something where we grow up with. I mean,
we get plenty contestants will come for the street dance battle. And also for the salsa. And the one where sweet me part, they say the defending champions. They can't carry them again this year. Now double enjoyment with that.
Today I'm very happy, excited, and wow, honestly I'm very happy. Because I see so many grown people, so many of them. And they have studied, they have worked so hard to where they are today. And I see a big place, where we can all dance Niger songs. Very nice.
First, make no spend your money quickly. Hold on. Then think well before you spend them. Any money where you want spend, make sure that money go bring another money come.
Sunrise to the universe as we moonshine in Malay. Feel the warmth, we'll never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. At first I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside so shine bright. Tonight, you and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I too are so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
With the heads of men, spat acid that lays up my third eye closed like LASIK. A midget in the casket like a baby in the bonnet with a bottle in the basket. Horn playing the theme song from Children of the Corn. Oh, I must be dreaming. A lady in the nightgown puffing kush screaming. Signal me over.
Okay, welcome ladies and gentlemen, and this is SHOWBIZ Weekly, and I have with me New Orleans in the building.
Yes sir, New Orleans in the building.
I know you want to guess, it's not the whole city actually, I actually have a...
No, the whole city.
The whole city? Okay, I have Jay the Tricker with me right here.
Yes. How you doing, brother?
Hey, it's good to have you.
Good to be here.
How is it like being in Nigeria?
It feels good. I'm still soaking it in. I just got here Friday. I'm having a good time. I'm soaking it in. I plan to be here a lot longer. I've tried some food. I had a little few things, you know, from a couple of guys off the street. But to be quite honest, I've been kind of lazy, so I've been just eating at the hotel. But like I said, just got here Friday, and eventually I'm gonna get my hands on everything. Actually, I'm getting me a home-cooked meal tonight.
Spraying with them rhymes you like spilling. Hit them up real good, but don't kill them. We only want to burn them to the point that they willing to give the location of the blank-faced villain who split atoms and give mushrooms to civilians. Hiroshima never recovered, and all the evidence was smothered.
Well, I had no idea, you know. I mean, I like what Kendrick did on it. I like what Big Sean did on it too, you know what I'm saying? But I actually think that Big Sean had a better verse than Kendrick. I had the best verse on the song, you know, but of course I'm biased, you know. But actually, if you listen to it, because Kendrick was just saying a bunch of gibberish, my mind gibberish, right? But Big Sean, you know, he had a good verse. I had a good verse. Like Kendrick had a good verse. But how the song came about initially was Big Sean had sent me the track to do a song, and he had a hook on it. He had a hook. He was singing. It was produced by No ID, but he was singing the hook. It had a hook on it, and he wanted me to do the first verse. I laid my vocals, and and he had his verse on there. So it was my verse, a hook. If you listen, my verse is like an intro. So it was my verse. It was a hook. Then it was Big Sean. So I sent it back, right? Then I never heard it again. Then a year later, or 8 months or however long it was, I wake up on the internet. It's like, yo, Kendrick Lamar, blah, blah, blah. But I never knew, you know. So but it's hip hop. That's how it goes. Yeah, but you mean as a rapper? What started me off? You know, just like any rapper from my time period. You know, I came from the era of Run DMC, Beastie Boys, LL Cool J, Rakim. You know, but really, why I started rapping, if I'm completely honest, I started rapping because of LL Cool J. You know what I'm saying? I believe it was the tour. I snuck to a tour with one of my older cousins in New Orleans. I think it was the Raising Hell tour. I think it was Run DMC. I think it might have been Public Enemy, LL Cool J. I think Beastie Boys might have been on it, but I can't remember because all I can remember was when LL came out. And I just felt like that's what I'm gonna do when I grow up.
They cast the judgment because they feel they got the right to. Fuck them, I let the dice roll like the father did. I gotta shine, it's in my blood, I'm a Harlem kid. I treat my babies right, treat my ladies ladylike. Hit them with a remix to make sure that they play me twice. I thought you said it's the return of the Black King.
I want to collab with a lot of Nigerian artists, you know. I was in the studio last night with Don Jazzy and his whole collective, Marvin. And you know, so we work together, and I'm probably gonna go back over there today and some more, but to do some work with them. But I'm open to collaborate with anybody, you know, because I'm just happy to be here. I'm just here to reconnect myself. Well, you know, I recorded that, I guess maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago in London, and it was just, you know, all my music is just really an expression of where I am at that time, even though there's always one. I'm only talking about one thing ever, you know. I'm only talking about one thing ever, and that's just evolution and righting our wrongs, reconnecting ourselves. You know what I'm saying? With our universal family in general, but blacks in particular. You know, because I'm black. You know, so I'm black. So specifically for the black, but universally for all our human family. You know. So that's generally the theme in all my music. You know, Islam is in there because, you know, Islam saved my life. You know, Islam saved my life. So
hands up, 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 hands up. Look, in a land before time, a land before altar boys, synagogues and shrines, man was in his prime. Look how far I go in time just to start a rhyme. The method is sublime, you get blessed with every line. I'm in touch with every shrine, from Japan to Oaxaca. The melanated, carbon dated, phantom of the chakras. Me and Hope, we was chilling in Miami. He said, nigga, fuck the underground. You need to get a Grammy. For your mama and your family, they need to see you shined up. Built a mighty high ladder, let me see you climb up. Nigga, what you scared of? Terrorize these artificial rap niggas and spread love. Pollinate their earbuds like you're supposed to. Spit it for the culture. Pay no attention to the critics and the vultures. What's that? They probably have us out of Belvy just to spite you. They cast the judgment because they feel they got the right to. Fuck them. I let the dice roll like the father did. I gotta shine, it's in my blood. I'm a Harlem kid. I treat my babies, treat my ladies like, hit them with a remix to make the semi play me twice. I thought you said it's the return of the Black Kings. Luxurious homes, fur coats and fair chains. Brooklyn, hands up.
One hand in the air, just rock with us.
Get 'em up, get 'em up.